Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome to the Device Mod live stream. Woo! We're getting straight back into this. What's showing right now? Okay, I've got this open. Okay. What I want to show you guys real quick before we actually start this live stream off, because today what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be working on the printer for a little bit. I'm trying to wrap my head around what do we've actually got to work on. I know we've got the color scheme system. We've got like the new kind of renovated settings that we're still kind of working on. But as you guys know, the icons update is the next update. And I want to, create, something that's I don't know. I feel like there needs to be more content in it. I'm not going to add the printer into the update, but I'm most likely going to be adding... Do I add the color scheme system? Depends. I might be able to get it. But, I want the next update to be good. I want the next update to be feature packed for all the developers. But yeah, we're going to be working on the printer today. But what I want to show you guys quickly, hopefully I'm in the right branch. But basically... I think I've, I finished off the scroll bars, right? Because, yesterday we worked on the text area. I actually finished off the scroll bars for it. So we go in here. And, yeah. What's going on here? Why is it -11? Oh. Alright, where's that crashing at? Vertical offset. Clamp. Vertical offset. Why is that? What's wrong with it? Hold up, let's have a look here. We'll figure it out. What a great way to start this live stream. But if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. And as well, if you guys want to get a shout out at the end of this live stream, go over to my Twitter, link is in the description below, click on it, go give me a follow there, and then retweet the latest tweet that says retweet for a shout out. Then I'm here shouting your guys, or shouting your name out at the end of this live stream today. And as well, if you haven't already, press those post notification with a bell button. Press the bell notifications, turn them on so you get notified when I actually go live on here, because people are like, when do you live stream? I never get to catch it. Well, maybe you should put that bell button on. Alright, so if we do that, what the flip? Why? I don't get why it's out of bounds. Why is it out of bounds? It's crashing it here, so it's something to do with the index calculation. Alright, we turned off breakpoints. Whoops, let's put them back on. Let's have a look. Hey, I see all you guys in the chat. Hey, Skelly, hi, Helos. We got Zorm, yeah, welcome to the live stream, guys. We got Thomas, Creeper Game. Who else we got in here? Naze. Don't know how to pronounce it that well. MyCon is on the 18th of November. I am so excited. I don't even know what's going on with it. Someone fill me in. With what Minecon Earth is. Because I literally have not been keeping up at all. I know it's like a global thing, but like, how's it working? Is it like a live stream? Or is there something going on? I don't know how it's gonna work. And what's with my voice? It's kind of strange. Alright, let's see what's up here. Let's see what's up. So what's vertical offset? Vertical scroll. Vertical offset. It says here. Oh, I see what's wrong. Alright. That's the magic of debug mode. It's the magic of debug mode, my friends. So we need to have at least math.max 0. There. Boom. Boom. Yo. The tingle scrap. I can't do the can't do that sound properly. Pop 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 cut cut. Skitty pop pop pop. Big shuck. I keep saying that. I'm just like addicted to that. Like, that meme's like evolving now because it's no longer kind of like him, you know, that him singing that anymore. But like he's continuing on with that kind of character. And I think it was like one where he went to the shops or something like that. But like it's so like hard to understand because like I don't know. I think if you're from the UK, you would understand it a lot better because you know he's from the UK. And all the jokes that might be involved in it. But yeah, he's doing like more stuff than just, you know, it's not like a 15 minutes of fame. He's actually kind of continuing that actual fame. Alright, so here we go. What the fuzz? What is wrong with that? This was like working literally like 2 seconds ago. Let's have a look. Something to do with the rendering. I don't get that, eh? Oh no, that's just the bar. Don't worry about that. Hold up. Something to do with here. Horizontal scroll. Let's put that on. What's going on? What's going on? I don't know. What? What? Oh my god. What is this? What is this? Hi, it's so early where I am and I haven't been able to watch the stream for a while, but I'm back now. So a yeet for you. I haven't said that word in a while. Yeet! Cray mine is on where... wait. Cray mine is on where they're basically live until like the next update, and the cool thing about this year is that you get to... for mobs. What? I don't even know what that... you're gonna have to restructure that sentence. That didn't make any sense. That did not make any sense. What's going on, by the way? I haven't been able to watch since when you were doing icons. A lot has worked on. We've been doing printers. We've been working on text areas. It's been like a whole bunch of, you know, awesome stuff. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? No! Don't do that! Hold up. Let's copy that. Pop that there. Just gonna comment that out. Get rid of that. I think it's something to do with that. And then we want plus horizontal screw offset. Alright. And then the reason why we put this here, right? Right, and so we do take instead. Then we pop that there. Now it seems to be working fine. Now it seems to be working fine. I know, hold up. Okay, that's weird. Why is that doing that? Yeah, there's probably something wrong in this issue. Max line width. think it's just that. Ah! What is going on? Alright, let's not worry about this. Let's get onto the printer. What the flip? I had this working. I wanted to show this beautifully working thing, and now it doesn't want to work. Why? What is wrong with that? Ah, now this is annoying me. This is annoying me. I literally was in a good mood. I was in a good mood. And now I'm not in a good mood because of this thing broke. This thing literally broke. It's super early. I haven't had a very good sleep schedule recently. Ah, same dude, same dude. I feel bad. I go to bed like super duper late, and it's really bad because I get up super duper late in the morning, and then you like lose half of your day, and then it feels like you constantly like it's always dark. Cray Minecon is where they introduce you to the next update of Minecraft. The cool thing about this year is that you get to vote for mobs that they introduce. Oh wow. Can we get a Piggy McPigpig? That's what the next mob's going to be called. We're going to have like the internet vote for the name. Why is this broken? Why is this broken? Alright, so minimum can only be horizontal offset can be, it's definitely negative scroll. It's definitely negative scroll. But then the maximum, it should be a take. Maybe invert this. What happens with that? No, that won't work. Okay, invert, keep this as the same. Can't be less than that, than the max width. Max line width, take horizontal scroll, which seems right. I don't know why it's not right. Is horizontal scroll horizontal scroll take width, take padding times 2. That's what it should be. That should be like 100% correct. Why doesn't it reload? Why don't you reload, you stupid class? Oh no, I'm getting annoyed here. It's broken because you haven't yeeted hard enough. I always gonna like say that in a very weird way. Yeet! Cheese and crackers, yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. I don't have any right now. I don't have any cheese. Can someone send me some cheese? Maybe in the form of like emojis. Maybe in the form of emojis. Maybe it just... What the flip? What the flip? Everything's not working in my favor right now. Cray, please do a toilet tour. Do a room tour. Yeet! Big shock. Big shock yeet. Wow. Yeet! Alright. Why? Why? You don't even make sense why you're doing that. Okay, plus horizontal, whatever, take horizontal offset, whatever. Right? Horizontal offset, let's just go 0. And then let's do maybe this. Alright? Just as a guess. Why? Why are you starting from there? Why are you starting from there? Why? Just why? Tell me why now. Because you're making 0 sense. So take. Alright, let's try this. See, like, okay, whoa, that works. Nothing weird going on here, right? So the problem is, see how we can go like past it like this, right? That shouldn't happen. So the idea is that we want to be able to clamp it at 0 there, and then clamp it at the end of the text. Alright, so now what the difference, so how far I can actually go back this way, right? How far I can go back that way. So we do this cool little class here, math called clamp. So how far I can go back is simply negative horizontal scroll. Actually, oh no, that's right, because that doesn't get updated straight away. Alright, so let's just do 100 here just to make, actually maybe make it a bit more. So like, okay, that works. See how it's not going past there? We can still go this way though. Alright, so I've kind of tracked it down to that it's to do with this side. Alright, so what is that? So if I do max line width, what does that do? Alright, getting there. What is that width? What is that width? What is that magical width we're missing? Take. I don't know what we're gonna take off this. Take horizontal scroll, maybe? Nope. Take width. Don't think that's it. No, that's not it. That definitely ain't it. Maybe it's actually width. Take padding times 2. Oh god. That's not it. Take horizontal scroll. No. Plus horizontal scroll. Nope. What is it? What is it? It's strange. Cheese and crackers equals I don't care. You have to have you have to have the channel power of our mighty or what? I don't even know what I'm saying. Cray, why are you making such a huge update for this mod? I'm not making a huge update. But if I release the new icons update, it's literally the icons. It's literally just icons, but you can't do anything with them. You can put them in buttons, but that's not enough. I want to be able to put them in a text area. I want to be able to put them in a text area. Kind of like if you've seen, I don't know, if you've seen Bootstrap, the responsive web framework, you'll know that you can put like icons in text areas like before it. I want to have that. I think that would be dope. I know we're not doing the printer, but we're going to do it. Wi-Fi none reigns supreme. We can all agree on that, actually. Hey, Alex, what's going on? If you guys want to know, we've actually got like real-time interaction now. So I think the delay is like 5 seconds now. So literally, like I'll be like, send a cheese emoji in the chat right now. Do it, and I'll see it literally like instantly, which is crazy. So it's like it's not like a massive delay anymore. So, yup, 5 seconds. Yeah, it's like 5 seconds. Is there a specific amount you're wanting to be able to see beyond the text type? No, I basically want to limit it to the length of it. I'm having some problems here. So horizontal offset, horizontal scroll. It would be max width, max line width. Take horizontal scroll, right? Take. But that's what I've done already. That's literally what I've done already. Take for maybe that. Oh, there we go. Figured it out. I've flippin' figured it out. Alright, there we go. Yep, see, we got a ton of cheese. Yeet! Yeet cheese and yeet cheese. We got a bunch of mice. Oh, God! Get the mice out of here, guys. Everybody post gun emojis to kill those mice. Everybody post gun emojis to kill those mice before they steal my cheese. Oh, God. I have a slight problem. Slight problem here. Where I let go. Boom. I know why that's happening. It's something to do with down here. Clamp. Max line width, take. Clamp horizontal scroll, 0. Width. Take. Padding. Times 2. Oops. Ah! Padding. No padding. Ah! Something's weird is going on here. I'll figure that out. Oh God, so many guns, so many knives. Hi Cray, what's up, What's up, Mega? Why would you get a knife? Why would you get a nice, good kitchen knife dirty? Swords, bombs, guns, 2 swords. You could be using those swords. You could be using those knives to cut cheese. True, true. And now the mice army is going to strike back now, so everybody's going to post some more of the mice. Someone post the computer mice instead. I don't even know if there's an emoji for that, but if there is, do it. Alright, we need to fix this up. Why is it being funky? Why is it being funky? So the maximum scrollage should be that yeah, that's right. This should literally be the max. And then visible width. Grab that. Yoink. Plonk, plonk. I think that's good. We have a slight issue here though. Have a look at this, right? Moving it, but it's not changing. Something to do with up here. It's hard to determine what it actually is. Big shock. Maximum scrollage. Cray, why no moderator? Because it's not too crazy. I'm sure you guys are a responsible bunch of people. Everybody starts spamming. What up, Spaded Dreamer? Spade Dreamer, sorry. Let's just go and double check. See if this is like... Ah! Why is everything crashing? I hate crashes. Especially when I worked on stuff that should not crash. Alright, it's probably something to do with this. Take one. Little off by one. Hey, Mr. Kovish, when will the server be online? It should be online. Otherwise, I'll go check it. Actually, you've said Spaded Dreamer rather than Spade Dreamer twice now. That's probably my fault. Yeah, what the flip? Spaded Reamer. That's what it is. Spaded Reamer. You need like actual capitals in your name. So I have like a capital S and a capital D. Big shock number 666. What? I'm done. I'm done. I literally did nothing. Guys. Did you guys see that? I literally did nothing. See, what the heck? Why is it... I literally did nothing. How? Oh no, hold up. It's because I forgot to include this here. I literally did nothing. How did that break? How? Only Rick and Morty fans will understand. How did that break? I didn't even touch the scrolling stuff. I fixed that up. I literally fixed it up. You guys saw me fix that up. Reloaded the game and it's broken. Let me say that again. Reload the game and it's broken. I literally touched nothing. What the fudge? Oh, sick. Work like this. Oh, wow. That's sick. It works now. Get rid of this. What the flip is that? Something to do with the scroll. Horizontal scroll. So horizontal scroll plus so let me think. What's the current scroll? Horizontal scroll. Take horizontal scroll. What the flip? This is my reaction to lag crashing. I think the mice are hijacking your coding. Call upon Shrek, our Lord and Savior. No! Our Lord and Savior is Jeebus! We're a Christian channel, guys. So, Lord and Savior is Jeebus. I literally touched nothing. You guys saw it. I literally touched nothing. I literally touched nothing. I literally touched nothing. I literally touched nothing. Alright, ready? Watch this. Ready? If I go take width. Alright. Take 4. This is automatically... hold up. Put it on this one too. What the flying fludge? What the heck? You should literally not be doing that. Should literally not be doing that. See, like, it works like that. So, horizontal offset, right? I can't use it anyway here. So, horizontal scroll is the current scrolling. Then what the remaining of that is, is max line width, take horizontal scroll, right? But this is... alright. But the maximum... maybe we include this to that. Because then that'll make sense better. So I can't go less than 0. Then it can't go more than max width, take padding times 4. Let's just double check that. Copy this over the whole entire thing. Alright. If this works, I literally did nothing. Let's have a look here. Why is it that we say literally as literally? I don't say literally. I say literally. Literally. I mean, you say it as literally. You don't say literally. I am literally I did nothing. Alright, we need to go plus, I think. What? I know, so take. It's gonna be take here. That's gonna be take. My bad. Or plus. No, it should be take. Clamp. Maybe plus here. That's what I did already. What the flying fuzz? Why is that like creeping up? What the flip? Oh, this is like, I worked on this literally all today. I literally worked on this all today and it's broken. Literally gonna start from like square one. Not really, I shouldn't have to. It's literally this thing breaking. Why is it broken? Hold up. So like, oh, that works perfectly fine. Alright, maybe instead we do is that dependent on anything? Scroll percentage. No, that doesn't work. Because we still need to... I added in some variables on purpose. Cray, if you can print the text in a book, it will be... This will be impossible. How would that be impossible? Am I whitelisted on the server? Not yet. I haven't done it yet. I can't do it right now. It's one of the things I tried for 5 days to make a hole flat with the ground. What? I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even going to read it. Use a printer from your furniture mod, Cray. I've already added in a printer model. I don't get why. I don't get why this has to be all funky. Why does it have to be funky? All I want is to be able to... But I get annoyed with this, right? Ready? Scroll all the way to the end. Right, ready? Scroll all the way to the end. Right, hold up. I'll scroll just to the end, ready? Technically it should be at the end right now. Moves back. Moves back. What? Why do you move back? So like here, maybe this should be take 4. Nope. Max line width, take visible width, horizontal scroll. Where's that flippin' sheep? Get out of here! Hold up. Let's get this going. Alright, there we go. Get out of here, sheep. You're flipping off. It's the sheep that's ruining my coding here, most likely. But like this thing, it should be. I should be able to like see. Just go to the end there, let go, and it's wrong. It should be like all the way at the end there. It's because of this here. This is when things change, because it's when the mouse releases, right? That I need to actually update this, right? So horizontal scroll equals clamp, horizontal scroll plus the offset that we just had from dragging it, right? It can't be less than 0, and then it can't be more than maximum line width, take the visible width. That's literally what it should be. See, now every time I drag it and then let go, it goes back one. And that's why I did +1. But even though, just let go there, see, it goes back. Why? Let's just try horizontal scroll plus equals horizontal offset. If it's not that, then it's something to do with here and clamping this. So position. It's probably like it's probably something wrong here. So it can't be more than 0. Then it can't be more than visible scroll bar width. Take scroll bar width. I spent so long on this and the payment isn't back. So like, so that's the thing, it changes position. It shouldn't change position, the whole scroll bar. Unless there's some, there's no sort of, nah, that's vertical. Maybe it's the FPS, you should probably refresh it. It's not the FPS. How would it be the FPS? Don't worry about the delay thing, it's because it's not actively it's not actively offsetting it when I scroll it. It only happens when I release it. Don't worry about that. That sheep was my father. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Rip sheep. Rest in pepperoni sheep. Can we get some respects in the chat right now? Rest in pepperoni sheep. I just don't get it. I don't get it. These scroll bars, literally. How funny was this? When I first added this yesterday, literally got it first shot. Literally got it first shot. Now I'm sitting here, confused as heck as to why my code is not working, because I literally done everything. I literally haven't changed anything. That is exactly what it should be. This is exactly what it should be. Alright? Because horizontal scroll cannot be less than 0. Alright? And horizontal scroll can't be greater than the maximum line width, right? Can't be greater than the maximum line width. Can't be greater than maximum line width. Take the visible width. Right? So I can actually visualize this. Give you guys a good perspective of how my thinking is going, right? My only guess is that horizontal scroll, right? Is being somewhat like, this is what it should be, right? I don't care. Give me anything. Give me anything. Alright, so if we go view, sure, we'll get rid of this. Alright. So, let's have a look. So, let's say this is kind of the text area, right? Looks a bit weird, right? Looks a bit weird, alright? And this is kind of like our visible region. Whoopsie. This is our visible region. And there's text going along here, right? There's text going along here, right? So, one of my examples, let's say, let's go across here like that. Let's just say that's 1.0 across. Let's say that there. So this here, let's say, I don't know, 0.2, whatever. This part here, so this is the scroll offset. So that is, this is that variable here, horizontal scroll. So as you can see, like, this line here, right, where it's cutting off the text there, is this text here, is this line here, right? Now the maximum that this line here can go up to, let's say that this here is, that width is 0.5, which then means that this remaining is 0.3. Alright. The maximum that this line here can go up to, right, is simply the length of this, right? Take the visible area. The visible area, right? And that's exactly what I've done. So, I mean, same down here, right? Where is it? Where is it? Where the flip is it? So much code. Look how many lines I got in this. What is it? Over 1,000 lines in this flippin' class. Where is it? Handle release. Where are you? Here, look. So, maximum line width. So that's, sorry, this here is the maximum line width because we've got a line that stretches all across here, right? We're going to have some that just stop here like that, but it's whatever the maximum is. Take the visible width, which is what we do in here, and then I don't know about that +1. I don't think that's correct. Horizontal scroll, right? And that's what it should be. So maximum line width, take this width, and that's how far this thing should be able to go up to. So if we were to put that into, you know, into perspective here, maximum line width is 1, visible width is 0.5, so the maximum it should be is 0.5. Huh? You get me? So, horizontal scroll, right? Regardless of where it is on here, so we have it there. If we add on that offset, right? We add on that offset. All we need to do is add 0.3 on here, then we're already at our kind of maximum maximum there. So I think this is fine. This is like correct. There's nothing wrong about this here. Alright. So you can see it's going all the way at the end there. It's just when I release it, right? Ready? It like has like a really small issue there. Unless we go +1 on that. Is that what I need to do? Maybe take 1. Yeah, I don't like, okay, why do I have to do that for it to be fixed? And even if I do that, it still goes back. Maybe we should change the title to fixed text instead of printer. I might have to. I might have to, because this is like literally annoying me so much right now. This is literally annoying me so much right now because why is it so difficult? It's a very difficult thing. Like, this is one of the things that is like super difficult to program, is a text area. Like, it doesn't sound difficult, but it is difficult because there's so much involved, so much handling, so many different if statements, controlling things, so many scroll bars. Like, I had this working and now, I mean, I literally just wanted to add in, what's my changes like? Way too many changes. Fuzz. Just why are you broken? I should have committed when it was actually working. But like, that shouldn't even be that. Because if I look at clamp, max, right? It just makes it max. The horizontal scroll. Is that going to cause an issue? Like, I know why sometimes it will, like, move back, and that's because we're dealing with integers. We're not dealing with, you know, doubles or floats where we can have, like, half a value. So, when you have something like 1.5, it turns into 1, so it moves back. Now, I think that's working good now. Alright. Let's double check this, so should be able to go. Alright, it's working good. I mean, that's still working alright. Hold up. Slight issue. Something to do with vertical offset. Where is that being used? Here. Take one, maybe. Oh no, whoopsie, the 1 was supposed to go here. -1. Alright, let's hope this works now. When can you do a release, Cray? I said this yesterday. I said maybe in like 2 weeks. I'll call the dab police. Oh, I will call the police. But how's everybody going right now? If you guys are enjoying the stream right now, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button. I know we're working on the text area and stuff like that, but, you know, it's progress. I've been like titling the stream like printer, but we're not actually working on the printer. Yeah, there's no delay. It's like super duper quick right now. It's like 5-second delay, which is awesome. So you can actually talk to me. Ah! Why? What's been offset? Okay, I see. Vertical offset. Okay. Take one. Max. The thing is, I should be able to control this through here. Like, it should be able to be impossible for it to go out of bounds. Because I'm controlling it through here, right? You need some cheesy, Cray? Yeet harder, Cray. You can power through this. Hopefully I can. Yeet! I need some yeet! I need some yeet! Can we get a yeet in the chat? Like, everybody just, like, be like, yeet! This Pepsi empty! Yeet! Can you? All right, okay. I'm gonna challenge. For everybody. Whatever is on the left side of you right now. It could be on a desk. It could be anything. It could be a person. Grab it, throw it across the room, and say yeet. And you're gonna tell me what you just threw. You're gonna tell me what you just threw. Some person's like, it just hit my mum in the head. It was a knife. My mum is now dead. Thank you, Crayfish, sending the bill. You're getting sued. I just threw my shoe at the window. Pillow. Yeet. I threw my Lego MC cow. My pen. I don't need this pen anymore. Yeet. My dog. I threw air. I threw a bowl at the window. I threw my sister and out the window. Yeet! Why? Why? Oh, because you're crap, aren't you? Fizz. How is it going out of bounds? It should be literally impossible for it to go out of bounds. And like... Alright. Max here, right? Because it's crashing right here, right? Index, okay? Unless we're updating this wrong. Man, I'm still doing it right. Just make sure that this is working correctly. Alright, so it'd be easier if we actually put this right into here. Because then we can do I plus that. It's easier if we do this, because then we can say 0 here instead. Alright, that should work. So I threw my iPad by stream. I threw myself, my window, my laptop, my will to live. Oh god. Dude, I remember the first stream I turned into and you had a bottle and you said yeet. And then after you read the comment, you yeeted the bottle behind you. Memories. They were good times. They were good times. Where's that bottle? Ah! I found... Oh no, it's not the same bottle. Oh no, I think that bottle's there, still there. Hold up. Let me see if that bottle's still there. Nah, I think I got rid of it. I think I got rid of it, but we can yeet this bottle. No water in this! Yeet! Then there was a long discussion if if the definition of yeet, because he used it as an adjective rather than a verb. What? Hey Cray, fishy. Hey, what's up? Yes, recreating yeets. They're the yeet memories you want to remember. They're the yeet memories. Always remember, guys. Always remember those yeet memories. Alright, slight issue. Get rid of that. Slight issue. Get rid of this. I think we got it. I think we got it. There we go. Finally. Oh my god. Alright, let's test this out. Let's make sure this is all good. That looks good. That looks good. Alright, cool. Woo! Alright, let's commit that. Let's commit that. I don't want to have to deal with that. Fixed scroll bars. Oh god. I just yeeted. Alright, let's do this again. Let's do this again. Whatever's on your right. Whatever's on your right, you need to yeet it right now. You need to yeet it into a person, though. You need to yeet it into a person. Some person's like, eh? Scissors? These scissors, I'm gonna yeet them. Shing! Neighbor takes out the neighbor. Sorry, but yeet! Crayfish told me to do it. Steal my bowl. Yeet. Tell me what you yeeted as well. What's on your right that you just yeeted? Oh god. I gotta yeet something as well. I said I gotta yeet something. What's on my right? What can I do? There's a lot of stuff on my right. Yeet. I'll yeet the scissors. I'll yeet the scissors. I'm daring. I'm daring. Oh, 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 oh. I'm daring. I'm gonna yeet the scissors backwards. 3, 2, 1. Yeet! There they go. Just yeeted them. I took off my friend's glasses and threw them at her. Totally worth it, waking her up and getting told at. Yeet! You're just like Crayfish told me to do it. Yeet! Then run out of the room. I'm using my powers to watch this. I'm 11 from Stranger Things. I'm actually going to see her. I'm actually going to see her. She's coming to Supernova, Adelaide. If you guys from Australia, you might know what Supernova it is, but if you're from anywhere else, it's basically like a mini, it's kind of like Comic-Con. It's the Australian Comic-Con version. But yeah, she's coming to Adelaide. I've bought a picture token. Which allows me to get a picture with her. So I get to meet her, but I basically get to meet her. She's gonna be literally like right there. It's gonna be so awesome. I'm like super duper excited because I love Stranger Things. If you guys don't know, so it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. I'm super duper excited for it. Like seriously, it's 11 or Millie Bobby Brown. 11 from Stranger Things. Who doesn't want to meet her? But it's like a once in kind of like a lifetime opportunity. I don't think I'll ever see. I don't think she'll ever come to Australia again or anything like that. Not for a while, that is. So yeah, gonna do it while she's here. All right, one thing that we've got to do as well, which will be super duper easy, is yeet. Right here, right? Yeet. You're the best Minecrafter and YouTuber. Thanks, dude. So I have to yeet my laptop on my mum. if that's what it takes. That's what it takes, dude. Just yeet that laptop at your mum. Wow, Cray, you dangerous man. I know, I was savage. I could have killed somebody with those scissors, right? I could have killed somebody. I'm so lucky nobody was literally sitting behind me, like, because that could have... It's like there's a dead bug on my bed. There's a dead bug on my bed. Oh god, rip bug. My mum just comes behind as soon as I yeet the scissors backwards. Rip. Did anybody rip? Was there any rips in your yeets, guys? Did something get rip? If so, tell me what died, and we'll rest in pepperoni it. Alright, so we need that. And then get active line. Ooh. I think we have to do this differently. What does get active line? Get cursor Y. Oh no, we just have to... Boom, 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 boom. Boolean in, let's have a look. Do it for the yeet peer pressure. Tree killed somebody like yourself because comes with people for the win. Rip my sanity. I would never yeet cheese and crackers. Never yeet them. Never big shuck them. Cheese and crackers must always be eaten. Ugh, it's gonna annoy me because now we have to deal with differently. Alright, so int scroll vertical scroll. Alright, cool. So if I was to have my cursor here, right? Alright, cool. So it doesn't actually render the cursor now outside of the view when we scroll. Yeet. Yeeted in your... Oh god, that does not sound right. Cray, let the cheese and crackers go. No! I'll never let them go. You don't know, it's like my favorite food. You know, like, okay. Why I probably like cheese and crackers so much is because, like, it's such an Australian thing. It's such an Australian thing. Like, okay, you go to a party, right, or anything like that. There'll be crackers, there'll be cheese, and there'll be cabana. That's like literally like staple party food here in Australia. If that food is not at a party, it is not a it's not an Australian party. Literally crackers, cheese, and cabana. If that's not at a party, it's not a party. If that's not at a party, it is not a party. Quote me. It's not at a party, it's not a party. A party, not a party. Alright, now we've still got one issue we're going to fix up, but we should be able to do that quite easily. But because, like, you know, I don't know, it's just a good combination. There's crackers, literally, hold up. I got crackers. Yeah. This is, everybody has these at parties. Jats. Right. Everybody has that as a party. Then you have cheese, and then you have cabana. I literally had it at my 21st party. I literally had it at my 21st party. That's why I like cheese and crackers so much, because it's a good combination of kind of finger food, and it tastes amazing. If you don't like it, maybe you're eating the wrong cheese. If you're eating plastic cheese, get out of here! Who eats plastic cheese? We call it plastic cheese. Who here eats plastic cheese? If you do, get out of here. Get out of the live stream. I'm all about that real cheese. I'm all about that real cheese. None of this fake, processed stuff. I've always hated fake cheese. Your baby's first food should be cheese and crackers. Blend it up. I'd be like, nah. Not even formula. Just cheese and crackers. It's got the nutritional benefits. It's got the nutritional value in it. I'm sorry, I'm lactose intolerant. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. Just suffer. I'm joking. Suffer. Alright, let's see if we can do this now. Fixed. Fixed cache on scrolling. When not fixed cache showing when not supposed to. What a great way. I've never seen cheese at a party. You have not lived, my friend. You have not lived. Come to Australia. We'll show you how you do it. No, spray cheese? What the? That sounds nasty. That actually sounds nasty. Spray cheese. Ugh. I get like horrible stomach pains, but it's worth it for the cheese, man. That's what I'm talking about. Spray cheese is so gross. I've never even heard of that actual. That just sounds disgusting. Get that out of here. Sounds like something would be in America. Is that an American thing? Do you guys, instead of actual cheese at a party, you have this spray cheese and you put it on crackers? Anyone want some of this? It's 10 out of 10. Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay quality cheese. Cheese in a can. Ugh. Yuck. Is that an American thing? Is it from America only? I feel like it would be from America. I'm sorry, but I feel like it would be from America. That would only exist because I've never seen it here. Never. I don't think nobody would buy it here. Cheese powder. What the? Yes, it's America. I'm just gonna guess that's probably not even the worst. What's the worst thing? What's the worst thing you've ever eaten? This is a question for everybody. What's the worst thing you've ever ate? What's the worst thing you've ever ate, guys? Like, I don't know. Let me know right now. It's hard for me now to say what's the worst thing I've ever like had to eat because the older you get, the more like you eat everything type thing. Like, it's different when you're a kid, but when you're older, you kind of eat everything. So it's hard to say like, oh, I don't like that. Cheeseburgers. I mean, like the weird, like really disgusting, like cheese in a can sounds super disgusting. That would be like the worst thing you've ever had. Rotted cheese. What song is this? It is called Forces by Jim Yusuf. Fried butter? What the? How? How do you have fried butter? It melts. Unless it's not butter. Your taste buds change a lot as you grow, yeah. It's like when I was young I couldn't eat Brussels sprouts at all, but now I actually really like Brussels sprouts. They might be called something else in America. They might be called something else in America, Brussels sprouts. Hold up, let's have a look. Brussels sprouts. Let's have a look. Ah, no, they're not called Brussels sprouts. Cheese is super delicious. Butter that's deep fried. What the? I hate green vegetables. You're a hater. You're a hater. Alright, so this whole scrolling issue. Alright, so let's just do an int horizontal. Actually, just int scroll equals mathhelper.clamp horizontal scroll plus horizontal offset. Should not be able to go 0. I'm pretty sure people have fried Coca-Cola before too. What the? How? I don't get America. America. It's just one word, America. Don't even. There's no reason. It's just America. I think there's like a thing. It's like deep fried Mars bar. Have you guys heard of that? Deep fried Mars bar. Apparently that's a thing. I don't know how well that would work. I don't know. It's a thing. I don't know. Let's have a look. Deep fried Mars bar. Hold up. Deep fried Mars bar. What the flip? Why would somebody do that? It's a natural thing. What the flip? I mean, maybe it's good. I don't know. Oh, God. I don't know. What do you guys think? Deep fried Mars bar. Deep fried Mars bar. What the flip? If you want to cut milk in half, you freeze it, then you cut it in half. Then you can have half the milk. Dude, now I want to deep fry some cheese and crackers. Isn't it like 6 AM for you? Isn't it like 6 AM in the morning for you, dude? Everything is deep fried in America. I think what's it? One thing that I want to try. One thing I want to try. Because I saw Roman Atwood do it. He has maple syrup. He dips meat in maple syrup. I've got maple syrup, so next time I have meat, I'm gonna try it. But I don't know. I feel like it's gonna taste good because it's like a sweet taste to it. But like, apparently he loves it. So if he loves it, it's probably tastes real good. So we're gonna have to try it out. All right, so this is what gets me. This should be max line width, right? Take width. Take padding times 2. It should be exactly that. Exactly that, right? It should be exactly that. Yeah, I was about to say it's impossible to be 5. What? Yes, LeMayo, don't judge me. Be gone, deep fried Mars bar. Be gone, thought. Be gone, thought. This is me when I see other food. This is me when I see other food. When I see cheese and crackers. Other food. Cheese and crackers. Real shiz? Someone meme that. Alright, so scroll. A little bit low. We're still a little bit young, but I'm alright. Oh. I know that's right. There's like just this, I don't know what it is. There's just a very slight issue. The problem is that it's maxing out this, right? So I've actually did system out here, scroll. I'll be able to see it. Oh no, you guys should be able to see this. Wait, where is it? Oh no, whoopsie, it's not doing that one, it's doing this one here. Right. Can you see that down here? Okay, hopefully you guys can see it. It's saying 44, right? I'll take this back. See, I'm taking it back a little bit, but it's still saying 44. It's because somehow it's getting maxed out. That's the limit there. That is the limit there. Whatever's after here doesn't even matter. So we have a slight issue where... Okay, maybe it's something to do with... Hold up. This here. I have to take extra... Maybe. How is it maxing out that? Maybe it's just take padding. Maybe no padding at all. No anymore. Let's do plus padding. Let me get rid of that and just do plus scroll. This would be take padding. Take scroll. Whoopsie, plus padding. It's wrong. Take padding times 2. Still not right. I think it's too. Did I? Music end? What the? How? I don't know what's going on. I didn't know there was an update. What? Does anyone know? Oh, don't worry. Anyone know how to fix the chat? Maybe it scrolls so it automatically scrolls down when there's a new comment. Okay. Yeah, probably update. Update as somebody said. Yeet! Yeet! Gotta do my daily yeet. If you don't yeet every day is my saying. If you want to live to 100, yeet every day. You'll live to 100 easy. Oh, it's almost there. I feel it. Take padding. Take 4. No. Plus 4. No, it's not right. Take padding times 2. I think I know why. Apparently this here, horizontal scroll, visible width. I know that's right. Max line width, take. It's hitting the limit here, right? So obviously not that. Still hitting the limit. That's why I'm like, take 4, right? Take 1. Plus padding. Where's the actual end here? Take width, take. Ugh. Okay, so what's the end for this? Hold up. F. Is that working? How does that make sense? How does that make sense? I still got some weird issue with this. Alright, so this should be like that. It should be exactly the same. Still not working properly. Still not working properly. See how it's like here, right? Still scrolling here, look. And the bar isn't moving at all. Hey, Cookie. Alright. If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. Snap it right in half. I'm waiting for you guys. I'm going to wait for you guys. Otherwise, I yeet this. I yeet this into my computer screen. I'll yeet this into my computer screen right now. Yeet! Oh no, I just destroyed my monitor. See what you guys did? You didn't snap that like button in half. It's like the bar physically reaches the end of the allocated space, but the mouse actually needs to scroll more. So like, it works perfectly this way. Let's just say that. It works perfectly this way. So when we go this way, right? Okay. That's the end, right? That's the end right there. So ready? Boom, boom, boom. That's the end. But no. Still got a little bit more. The problem is, I don't know what that value is. But the problem is, like, from my understanding, why? Why is it clamped backwards? So when I do horizontal scroll, right? Clamps it weird. Take width, take 4. See, like when I release it, right? Oh, let's do system out.println. Setting to horizontal scroll. And then we need to get rid of this here for now. Alright. Setting to 48. Is there an issue with my scrolling? So apparently 48 is the max there, right? So let's get rid of this. +4 maybe. Plus padding ×2. I think that's too much. Oh, let's do this again. See, it's not at the, it's at the end there, right? But it still needs more. My only guess is that... So it's at the end here now. What the heck? How? What's 1 + 1? Answer in binary. It is 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Got it. I got it right. I got it right. One plus one in binary is what? It's nothing to do with my scroll bar. It's nothing to do with my scroll bar, okay? It's to do with the rendering of the text. Right? Because, for instance, right? When we actually scroll to the end here, look at the scroll bar, how it perfectly works. Perfectly works. It's to do with... I don't know what it's to do with. Unless it's something to do with this here in the bar rendering. Which is possible. So visible scroll bar width, right? Nah, that's right. It's right. I know it's right because it works. Because it works perfectly like this. My understanding is that potentially, let's do something longer. Alright. See how it's not even getting back to the end? I don't think it's incrementing it correctly. So like, horizontal offset, right? This is, it should be like a percentage. What percentage is that? Well, it is. Because the idea I've got in my head, right, is that one pixel movement on here is one offset on the render, when that is actually, in fact, false. Right? Which is, in fact, false. So I'm doing it completely wrong here. This needs to be times by something to get the correct percentage. Now, what is that percentage? Well, it is simply the it is int percent, what do float percent. What is padding, Cray? Just out of curiosity, I hear the term often, but I don't know what it means. So padding is basically a border inside of a component. So like this here, see how there's like a gap in between here and there? That's the padding. So that actually is padding all around the outside of this here. So if I wanted to, I could set the padding to 10 and we're going to have like a massive gap there. It's just kind of like a styling. But I've obviously got to take that into consideration when calculating all my values. Ugh. What's everybody doing? What do you guys got planned for the weekend? What do you guys got planned for the weekend? Because, I mean, it's only like... Oh no, it's Thursday, yeah. Is it Thursday? Yeah, it is Thursday. What the flip is Thursday? What do you guys got planned for the weekend? Because it's going to be a good weekend. Sit around and do nothing all day? Who's going to play games? I think I'm gonna play some more Battlefront 2 and some more Call of Duty. I think that's my weekend. I don't think. I mean, I'm going out to a convention this weekend. That's when this supernova's happening. Percentage is simply width. It's width. Take padding times 2. Divided by max line width, and then just cause we're gonna do that, do it here as well just because I like the look of it. So that times percent. Alright. That should be it. And then as well, this should be that. No, it's not right. Oh, system. Oh no, I think it's the other way around. Whoopsie. Because we want to get how many pixels float. Alright. .1%. That seems a bit more correct. Alright, that's a bit better. That's a bit better. I just got to fix up a couple things here. So I think this is all correct. We'll have to double check this. So max line width, take padding times 2. Alright. And then we need to do here percent. Alright. Still a slight issue with the end here. So you get to here, right? I mean, it works the other way, which is good. It's just a bit of an issue with the end here. I'm gonna play. I don't have a home right now, and the friend I'm staying with doesn't even have Wi-Fi. What the? It's flipping 2017. Who doesn't have Wi-Fi? If your friend doesn't have Wi-Fi, how are you chatting on stream? Data. I'm at another friend's house. I don't have data, otherwise it wouldn't be a problem. It runs out too fast. Alright, so still some slight issues here, but it's getting better. We've got this working correctly now. I knew I was missing out something. So we have this slight issue here where it doesn't want to go further. Where's my mouse? So that it should be able to go to, let's write something. Write something more specific. I didn't even change anything. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Why? Why does it do that? Why does it do that? Because, like, okay, take the scroll position, right? Let's system out. Scroll. Maybe we can figure this out. How is it negative? How? How is that negative? This thing's bugged. How is that bugged? Because look here, right? With this clamp method, right? You specify the value. And then you specify the minimum value it can be. 0, right? So this should work 100% correct. So if the number is less than min, which min in this case is 0, it should just return 0. How is that possible? How? Let's do, what's this? Okay, apparently that's 0. Oh, okay, this is an issue here. Math.min 0. Still an issue. Apparently it's 192. How is it getting past that? Unable to see max. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, let's type out something here so I actually know what's. Hello, what is going on, my dudes? My. Yeah, what's going on here now? Why is it going weird now? Why? Ugh. Are you sure you didn't actually type a plus or a minus wrong? Nah. The thing is, right, I know how all this works, right? The maximum scrolling should be the maximum line length take visible width. 100%. And this here is that. Right here. That is the actual maximum. All I just want to do is open this up. Pop that like that. That is the maximum. Alright. Let's go. I'm like, what is that? Like, what's with this? Alright, so what is going on, my dudes? My name is. See, what's with this? What is with this? Why isn't this like going over now? It's something to do with this. Like, see, this works perfectly fine when I have that, right? How do I use device mod API from your Discord? I download it, but I don't know how to use it. I can't. I put it in the mods folder and it crashes. Can you help me, please? The API. Okay, just hear me out right now. The API is for developers only, right? And I've purposely made it like this, so because like it's not intended for players. Like the developer version is basically a stripped version of the normal one, and the only way that you can run it is if you actually run it inside of a modding environment. Which if you're a modder, you would know how to do. Cray, an intellectual, says he'll work on the procedure, proceeds to work on a text box area for 2 hours. Okay, well, alright, so I don't get it, hey. So yeah, I really... So like, this is kind of like the pixel This is like the pixels per pixel. Pixels per guess that's a good way to say it. It tells me how many pixels there are per every time I scroll one little dot over. How many pixels does that translate into? So it's simply just the visible width. Max line length divided by visible width. Very easy. And then you times that by pixels per unit. What is this value? Apparently it's -6. How? It like goes out of sync. Ready? Like, I don't get why that's doing that, because literally... Right? So +1, right? So add 6 on. Maybe that needs to be times by the pixel density as well. Which I don't understand why it would be. So it does some weird funky stuff. Why? Scroll. So apparently only now is it bigger. What is horizontal scroll? 15 times pixel. Which is 15.9. 15, alright. What is this then? 15. However, scroll is coming out as 0. So the only suspect that would return 0 is here. So what is this? Alright, this is returning 0. It's -2. Unless we have to add like a super special case here, which doesn't make sense. Because it should be... Wait. I don't know about you. I don't know about you guys. I don't know about you guys, but in terms of maths, let's go. Hold on, let me read some comments here. So do I use IntelliJ or something, or should I give up and stop trying? You can use IntelliJ if you know how to set up a modding environment and that type of stuff. You can do it easily. Okay. If you guys know maths, I'm sure maybe some of you guys do. You know that multiplication, right? Multiplication becomes like this line should not be an issue whatsoever. You know? This line here should not be an issue whatsoever because we go, I don't know, take width, right? That's fine to do. We wouldn't go take padding from it because we've got this here, so we would do this first. That's how it should work. I don't know if it's me or not, but I swear that's how it works in Java. Maybe I've been deceived my whole entire life here, but let's have a look. Okay, no. So apparently it needs to be... Apparently it needs to have brackets around that. How? Oh, let's do... calculator. Let's just say max width is 100. Take. Hold on, what we're gonna do is system out. Alright. Width. Padding. Okay, so the calculation will be 246. Take 240. Take 4 times 2. Oh no! Ah, okay. Okay, my maths was wrong. My maths was wrong, guys. So we definitely need brackets around that. Did I really get that wrong? Did I really just make a pretty big mistake there? I swear that did not matter. Alright, so this 100% needs a brackets around it. Alright, keep in mind that we should always bracket what we think needs to be bracketed. So now it's 14. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Now this could be what we're dealing with here. Yep, same thing. And then we should also have... Oh my god, is that working now? I think it's working now. Oh my god. There we go, guys. That was some serious debugging right there. That was some serious debugging right there. It's always the most easiest, like, mistake as well. So now we should be able to do that. Still a slight issue, but I think I know what they're wrong. Alright, let's get back up. Get rid of that. That should simply be that. I think that's it. Let's write something instead. Hey guys, what is going on, my dudes? My name is Mr. Crayfish and I love to eat cheese. Bless you all. Alright, so we should be able to scroll back to the start now. Perfect. Oh my god. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can we get a blessed crayfish with a cheese emoji in the chat right now, guys? Blessed crayfish. Blessed crayfish with a cheese emoji. Pay your respects to me, guys, for finally figuring it out. Oh my god, it took so long. Alright, so let's make sure we put this here as well. Bless Lord Cray. Prayers. Can we get some prayers? Can you guys say some words for me right now? I need you guys to bless me with your words. World peace has finally been achieved. Achieved. Not achieved. Achieved. I need you guys to shower me with some words. Shower me right now. I need you to post some inspirational quotes. Some person's like, my inspirational quote. To be the rock, you must align the planets up with the ancient cartel. That's one of my favorite quotes. My favorite quote is literally, the more you work out, the more cheese that gets added on top of the plane on the way to destination Candyland. That's my favorite quote. There's my favorite quote. In the name of Father, the Son, and the Holy Crayfish, Shrek has blessed your swamp. Oh, now that's some serious words right there. That's some serious words right there. That's meaningful. That's deep. That is deep, my friends. Alright, so we're not in luck yet, guys. Hold up. Oh my god, I think we did it. We did it. Oh my god, finally. Woo! Fixed. What if someone did? What if someone posted it? Commits, suggestions. Alright, what the? Setting audio files. What the flip? That's some virus type shit. Sorry. Oh god. This is a Christian channel. GG Cray. No, that's proper. That's how you're supposed to say it. Yeah, right. Well. Wasn't my last commit like fixed scrolling? Fixed scrolling for real. Yeah. Ka-ching. Oh my god. Cray said the S word. Hey! No, I didn't. I didn't. It slipped. It slipped. Alright, there we go. Cool. Can we get some hype right now? We literally just got this working. Oh my god. Alright, let's test out something. Watch this, guys. Ready? Watch this. Let's have a bit of fun. Let's have a bit of fun right now. I like to have a little bit of fun. Alright, so we're going to have a method in here called set scroll bar size. Math.max safety check. Alright. This will be fun. This will be fun. Alright. Have a bit of fun for this end of live stream. I'm actually going to do something really real quick as well. And that is showcase an application. What IntelliJ do you use? Community Edition. Community Edition. Alright, text area. Text area is set scroll bar size. Let's do 10. Alright. Let's do 10 here. This will be interesting. Hopefully it works. It should work. And then we're going to try something else as well. It's going to be really cool. It's going to be really cool. I was watching a show yesterday and a horse was riding a knight. What? A knight. Alright, here we go. So let's go on here. This will be interesting. Ready? Oh, what the heck? Didn't work as they expected it to. Yeah, we got a slight issue. Hold up. Slight drawing issue. Should be... POSIX. Oh no. Why didn't that work? Pos Y. I know this is take 2. And then this should actually just take 2. Ah, there we go. We take 3. Alright, there we go. So I think that's proper now. Let's fix up the other one. It's because I did that there. So now we can have like gigantic scroll bars if you want to. See, you gotta think good. You gotta think good when you're programming. Let's make sure this is all working. So I think that's this should just be take scroll bar. And it should be take 2. What was that one for? Vertical. Let's see, take 2. Oh, okay, whoopsie, sorry. No, it stays like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's definitely correct. And then I'm assuming the bottom one will work as well. Yeah, cool. Alright, okay. You thought that was ridiculous. You thought that was ridiculous. Now we got bigger scroll bars. Let's pull it up a notch. Alright, first person to give me a value here. So this is what I'm going to change the value around. First person to give me a value. It can be any value you want. Make sure it's greater than 10. Put it in the chat right now. We got 5 seconds. I love this quick interaction that we can have. First person, first value. First value. I'm changing it right now. I'm changing it right now. Ooh, 60. Alright, there we go. Alright, load this back up. Oh, wow! Hold up. I can't see it. Can you guys see the scroll bar? I literally can't see that scroll bar. Can you guys see it? I don't know if I can see it. It seems to be... I don't know where it is. I'm clicking on something and dragging something. Here, let's try this. Oh my god, wow. Oh, we have a slight issue with going up here. What is this? What is this? I thought I just literally... Looks like it's an off by 1 issue. I have to look into that. Alright, let's do something bigger. Another value! Another value, guys. First one to post it right now. $200. Oh wow, it's sick. I love this. The best scroll bar ever. Oh my god. I think I know why a lot of this... See how I'm like at the end here, but I keep scrolling? It's because we're dealing with like half values, right? We're dealing with values that are like... how much I'm gonna fix? I might have to fix that up and change how that works actually. But that's some insane scroll bars, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's change it back to like 20 or something. Maybe 20 is too big. 10 look good. 10 look pretty good. I think I know what the issue with that is. Scrolling, here we go. Take that vertical scroll +1. God. What is this? +1. I don't know if that's right. But yeah, I do have like a tutorial on setting it all up. Someone said 9,000. I don't think I would do 9,000 because you're not gonna be able to see it. Oh, itchy back. Should I do 9,000 just for fun? Who thinks we should put 9,000 in for the scroll bar size? See what happens. Over 9,000. Oh god. Alright. Is this gonna crash? I'm scared. What? What? $9,000. Not good. But yeah, this is cool. Ready? Watch this. Boom. Boom. Works straight away. See, that's the problem I'm having. It's not going up to the top. It's not even scrolling it properly. What the? Never forget this day. Alright, so I think the problem is that we're not doing, again, like pixel density. Or in this case, it's like pixels. Lines per pixel, right? So because the vertical offset will only be like 5. It could be like 5, right? But that could be like 10 lines. So we'll have like a float pixels per. This will actually be lines per unit equals lines.size divided by visible lines. And then we need a times by lines per unit. Alright, we need to also do it down here. But I don't think it's right yet either. Because it's still not. It may be that I need to do math.seal oops int still not working properly. This is a good song. So lines per unit is actually. So, lines per unit. No, that's right. Visible lines. It's giving me 2 and 1. What? How? It's giving me 2 and 1. What? Math.seal. Oh, let's see, hold on. Load. Why is it? Why does it give me 2 different values? Let's do. It's literally giving me 1 and 2. How is that possible? Whoopsie, no. Whoops. Because lines of visible lines is not something that changes. Oh, I know why. Alright, get rid of that. I know why. Don't worry. Lines per unit, alright. This needs to be float. Alright, it doesn't change anything, but this needs to be vertical offset plus, oopsie, sorry, times how did this break? I literally did nothing. I literally did nothing. Hopefully the new text area is compatible with my emoji mod, in which I can display emojis in text areas. I'm gonna be adding 10 by 10 icons. I actually want to there's somebody, I forgot whose it was. Oh yeah, how cool is this pen? How cool is this pen? It's a pen. It's an Intel pen. Exclusive. Not promoting Intel, but Intel. I love this webcam because it's actually good. You can actually focus on that. Like glowing. It's like a needle. Hold up. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I injected the crayfish formula. I'll be a crayfish within 24 hours now. Oh god, it's already starting. We better turn it up. I don't know, this is nothing special here. What am I doing? It should be here. Int. Scroll. Scroll. Oh, what the? I didn't realize that. I think this is like literally rendering every line from 0 when it should be only rendering what it can see. I have a Q pen like that. The cringe. Hey! This is gonna erase your memory. Look at this, Star Wars. Look, I'm Star Wars. I got a lightsaber. Zoom. Zoom. Alright. This here should be like... should start at vertical scroll. Which that's fine still. Oop. I know, I think it's fine at 0. Yeah, that's fine. This is a relative. It's a relative index. Alright, so the problem is we need to change the index being shown. Alright, so it's simply that. Lines per unit. This could be very bad. We've got to be very careful here. Divided by... because he could crash it. Alright, don't worry about that. Alright, DF is the top one, okay. Alright, now we'll just go down here. That, right? Times lines per unit. Alright, so I have this int divided by that. Alright, let's make sure. What's this doing? Whoops. What's going on here? Hold up. We have an issue where it's going all the way to the bottom. My guess is up here where we actually draw the scroll bars. Vertical offset. Yeah, that doesn't make sense here. That does not make sense here. So vertical scroll. Scroll percentage. Everyone left, I think so. Rip everybody. Rest in peace, everybody. Vertical scroll. Oh no, hold up. That's fine. That's vertical scroll. This one needs to be times by scroll percent. I think. Alright, that's not right. I know, because vertical scroll's dynamic. Scroll Y. Okay, that shouldn't matter. Why haven't we adding that? That was the issue. We had that on the end of it. Break that beat back. Alright, there we go. Get rid of that. Let's test this out. Let's try 5 on that. And then we're going to try something special here. For everybody that stayed to the end, who's still here, let me know if you're here in the chat right now. You need to post, the letter B. If you guys know which one that is. It's like the red box. Hopefully you can do it on YouTube. Post the red box B. Let me know if you're still here. Because we got something exciting. Got something exciting for those people that are here till the end. We're gonna try out something here in a second. I like, oh, that works like butter. That works like butter. That is smooth. Hashtag overtime live stream. It's been overtime for an hour. If you guys have been enjoying this so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. No one posted the B. Where's the B? It's all the way... Hold up, let me find it. Where's my B emoji? It's in like symbols. Where is it? B. Let me find it. B emoji. Here it is. Oops, here we go. It's like nowhere. B. It's like they don't have it on. Don't have it on here. B. Just let me into your heart. Alright, so we're gonna try out something right here. Hold on. Fix. Alright, let's close that off. Let's launch it up again. Alright, exclusive right now, guys. Exclusive right now. Alright, so it's going to be interesting. Hopefully this can work. I am putting the B emoji. Can you not see it? I can't see it. All of it is just like the letter B. Alright, we're trying something crazy here. We're trying something crazy here. Let's turn that on. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy one of these classes, because basically now that we've got this width and scrolling ability, and we've also got this highlighting ability, we're going to go ahead, we're going to copy like a class from here, maybe like this one. Alright, come in here, paste. Woo! Have a look at this. Have a look at this. That works so well. So it's like an actual Java class. Looks so good. Slight issue on the horizontal cursor. Someone's already made an IDE. But like, how cool is that? There we go, boom. The tingle skia. How long will it take to get rid of all this? We could just do this. There we go. Alright, let's do something crazy. Let's do something crazy, because that was a small class. That was a small class. Let's do something like crazy big. Post the text area code. This is gonna lag it for sure. Alright guys, alright. I need your prayers right now, guys. Can everybody post what emoji? We need your prayers right now. Can everybody post the peace symbol? Actually, no. Can everybody post the cross? Everybody post the cross right now in the chat for this prayer, because we're gonna copy this entire class, right? And paste it into here. I need your prayers, guys, right now. Pray with Cray. This is a praying session right now. Someone posted a different cross. It's like, nah, I ain't doing that. Alright. Holy, it worked. Look at the scroll factor on that. Oh wow, that's cool. Whoops. It doesn't take in comments. We've got the working... Whoa. Does that really not want to work? Why doesn't that want to work? Alright, we've found an issue with this. Is that it doesn't want to work correctly unless... Why isn't that working, hey? Something to do with... Is it getting clicked on? Alright, let's get rid of this. Oh. So... Apparently it can't... Hold up. Alright, apparently it's not even detecting it. Alright, so that's not like an issue here, it's an issue here. That should be able to be fixed very easily just by copying this. Copy that. Come down here. Pop that. Should be pos Y. Pos X is the same. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright. There was something definitely wrong. Yeah, there's an issue with I think I might have to do, because like even if I'm at the bottom, I'm not at the bottom. So it's probably a +1 issue. But look at this. The whole entire thing here. It's insane. $1,000 lines as well. Close that off. The Christian sign, not the Jew sign. Mr. Crazy Fish. But that's cool. Public, static, void, main, string, args, whoops. Catching. Oh, let's do that right. Hello world. Oh, what? Oh. Can't have any funky. Alright, that's weird. Who has dating advice? What the flip? This is a Christian stream. This is a Christian stream, not Tinder. A Christian stream, not Tinder. How funny is this, guys? I spilled. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I'll tell you the full story. Alright, so today I had to go to the hospital. Just to get like a checkup, a progress update on my arm and my wrist with my flexing. Because that's what they do. Keep up-to-date progress. And pretty much after that, it went off fine and everything like that. I decided to get some food. So I bought a ham and cheese croissant and a medium cappuccino with 2 sugars. So I got that, went back to my car. I have like this cup holder, right? I have this cup holder, right, that sticks onto the window. So like it's one of those kind of suction cups that sticks onto your window. So I have one of those, right? And then I put my coffee in it, and as I'm driving out of the parking lot, it falls off, right? Falls off, falls down, lands in my like feet area where you put your feet in the car. And then the lid pops off, and it goes all just like over the whole entire area down below there. I'm like, oh my god, because it was a full cup as well, and I went over my carpet or my mat, and then as well as the carpet inside of my car. So as soon as I got home, I did like a massive clean out of it, and tried to soak up as much as the coffee as I could, because like now it's like hot in Australia, like my car gets hot inside, so I don't know if it's gonna get. I reckon it's gonna get stinky in my car, 100%. I'm gonna smell it tomorrow morning and be like, ugh, ugh. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to drive. But yeah, that's how I spilt my coffee. I didn't do it. It was the stupid cup holder that did it. It wasn't me. It was the cup holder. Blame the cup holder. Alright, so where was I doing? We're gonna do, sorry. I know why it didn't like that thingo. Because it should be floor. Even if we cast it to an integer, it floors it. We need to make sure that this is done together. Int. Actually, we'll do that just here. Int. All right. Same with here. Do that instead. And then all I have to do is that. Alright. And then scroll down here. Do that. Don't need that cast. The truth is, this is a laptop, not Tinder. Tinder, not tender. Alright, so from my sources. Oh. Even like that. Let's reload. The memories. Because like it should be at the top as soon. Alright, I think I figured it out. Up here. Get rid of this crap. Oh no, that's important. That is important. Ugh. Yeah, can we undo that? Why does it have to scroll like that? Well, that works. There's a weird thing here where it's like it's already there when it's here. So what's up with that? My feelings is that's potentially that. Okay, no. Alright, potentially here divided by font render dot that. Oh yeah, I think it's a little bit better. Might need actually +1 It's still weird. Horizontal scroll. +1. Let's try this down here as well. Because that might... No, that's that. Whoopsie, wrong one. +1. Maybe take one. Take Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This is a super duper long overtime live stream. It's already a Thursday. I'm not advertising, but which mod could you guys like? Undertale or Star Wars? What? Mr. Crayfish is so famous. I hope he have 1 million subscribers. I wish. Alright, slight issue above. Only below. Maybe take one. I mean, that seems like it works. We need to test it with something big. Alright, let's do something big. Maybe this one. Because the idea, right, is that as soon as it hits the top, right? As soon as it hits the top, it should do it. Maybe take lines per unit. Hold up, we need to do that above. Take. Plus. Yeah, still funky. Still funky. Yeah, I don't know this. I don't know why this is doing this. I mean, it's only like a very small issue, but it's still like something like 100% should be 100% and 0% should be like the first line. Like this, right? I'm just seeing how many lines. How many lines is this? I think this might be wrong. Lines per unit. So it should be the lines divided by the amount of pixels, how many positions there are when scrolling. So it would be scroll bar height copy that. So it should be this take scroll bar height, and that gives us the other pixels. Alright. So what is this? .6. Huh. Vertical scroll. I think it needs to be so like when I move it literally down 1, it should be like Um. Think that needs to be divided by that as well. That still doesn't work correctly. Alright, I think that's what I want. Just gonna make it now, so... Just need to make it so this does that as well. Ouch. It should be divided by... Alright. Whoops. It doesn't work like that though. When I do that, it doesn't work. So like, maybe we could do this differently. So we have this scroll percentage, which might be better off actually. So then we can actually do lines.size times scroll percentage. Oh wow, that works. It's because this doesn't plus vertical offset. Alright, slight issue there. So times that. Let's make sure this is right. What is he working on right now? Yeah, it's getting like super duper late. It's getting super duper late. I might actually end off the live stream now. I think that might be a good time. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this live stream so far. I was supposed to be checking out an application, but I'll probably do that tomorrow night. But what we're going to go ahead and do the retweets now. So make sure you've gone over there, or if you haven't, you're probably a little bit too late. But shout out to Guy, Twig, Blow, Benz, Drew, Hypixely, D-625, Little Ivy, Gabian, Ruben, Samuel, Assen, Kilraz, Marek Josephek, Fabi50, Thomas, Zoram, yeah, Rebel71, and one person has not been, does not want to show their name in the retweet. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to shout out your name. But thank you guys for the support on this live stream. Hopefully you enjoyed. It was definitely an overtime live stream by quite a lot. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully I have this working for you guys. But for now, bye bye.